Hey, what's up guys, it's Nima. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something different, and that is how to customize your iPhone using the new iOS 14 that just came out like 5 days ago, like last week. So beforehand, first thing you want to do, if you haven't yet downloaded the new iOS 14, go ahead and download. It takes a little bit of time. I did mine, and I usually do mine like when I'm sleeping, so at night I just plug it on the charger, put it on Wi-Fi, and then just go to bed, and then it will just update and download everything. So go ahead and do that if you haven't do that, or none of these things are gonna make sense. Okay, so this here is my home screen, is what I customized. It's fall, so I wanted some like cute fall vibes, and so this is what the theme of my phone is looking like. And I have like another page right here, and then this is the last page. So if you want to get all these cute widget stuff, you have to have the app Widgetsmith. So just download the app, and that is what's going to give you all this cute customization here. So after you have downloaded your Widgetsmith and you're ready to go, the next thing you want to do is like find a theme or like a background for your phone. Like I use Pinterest a lot, so you can use Pinterest. You can just go like on the internet, and then you'll have like cute backgrounds, whatever you want. So next you're gonna go to the Widgetsmith app, and you're gonna open, and yours is gonna look like these two black things at the bottom. So you have like the small widgets, you have the medium widgets, then here you have the large widgets. I'm gonna start with like the small ones, so you're gonna choose the small widget, and this is what's gonna look like, and then you just tap at it, and then here you have the options of what you want the small widget to be. So you have time, you have date, you have like your own customization. You can put a photo, you have calendar, you have reminders, weather if you want to pay for them, and then health and activity, and then at last you have astronomy. I'm gonna pick month and date, and then here you have font, tint, and like background color. So for the font, I'm gonna choose New York, and then for the tint, which is like color of the font, I'm just gonna go with white. My background color, I want it to be pale pink, so I'll choose pale pink. You have like different colors here, the lots of colors. All the way to the bottom, it's the border color, so I'm gonna choose white, and I'm just gonna go back, and then here you have your default widget, and then just gonna hit save. Here I have my widget, the one I saved. To add the widget you just made to your phone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold your phone down, like, you know, press and hold to make it like the wiggly side, and then I'm gonna use this black canvas, so like I can just do everything from start. So you're gonna push that plus button, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down till you find the Widgetsmith, and then open it, and then choose whatever widget you made. So we made a small one, so I'm just gonna do the small. We're just gonna do add widget, and you can see it added the widget that I did not make. So what you're gonna do is just press and hold on that widget, and then press edit widget. Now you're gonna go like to whatever widget you made. You wanna at least name them or like remember the number. So I think we made small number 6, so you're just gonna press that, and then there you have your widget. So that is what you do for the widgets. Now you can do that for the small widgets and like the large and the medium, just depending on what you do. So now I'm gonna show you how I made this customized app picture. So you can see like my settings here as a candle. It's not like, you know, how settings is supposed to be. Okay, so what you want to do to get that cute app picture is just go to your shortcuts. Now you can just pull it down from your phone, and then now these are the shortcuts that I have. If you don't have, you've never made like any shortcuts, you're not gonna see anything. So you're just gonna hit that plus button, add action, and then you're gonna choose scripting, and then open app, and then choose. So here you have all apps and stuff, so you're gonna choose like what app you want to customize. I did settings, so I'm just gonna do Netflix. I'm gonna choose Netflix. So now that I've chosen my Netflix app, I'm gonna do next, and then you're gonna name your shortcut. So I'm just gonna say Netflix, and then you're gonna hit next again. So here you have all the shortcuts. Now you can see these are like the pre-made ones I already had, and here we have our Netflix one. Now what you're gonna do after that is press that 3 dots on the Netflix app. This is what you're gonna see. So you're gonna press another 3 of those dots, and then you're gonna see the app, and then add to home screen. And before you add it to home screen, you're gonna see down here like the box is kind of highlighted in blue. So you're gonna click that box, and then it gives you options to take photo, choose photo, like choose a file. So I'm gonna choose a photo. So and then I'm gonna take you to your app library. I'm gonna choose this one. You're gonna hit choose, and then there you have your picture, like it's a preview, and then you're just gonna hit add, and then it said add it to home screen. Now you're gonna go to home screen, and here you can see it. I have my apps in like folders, so if you had yours randomly, you're just gonna delete the actual Netflix icon thing, and not delete it, but that's when the app library come. Now this is another new feature for the iOS 14. So what you're gonna do is like press and like hold, and then it will give you like options. You can say remove from home screen, and then it will tell you to add it to app library. So it's gonna take your Netflix to the app library. So you can see it's right in the first box right there. So don't delete the app, just move it from the home screen to the app library. When you press the thing, it's gonna take you to shortcuts before it takes you to Netflix. So if that's something you're not okay with, maybe you're not gonna use this feature, I don't mind, it's okay for me. So and then there you have your Netflix thing. So now I'm gonna show you how I added these cute pictures, like that one, it says whatever, I'm still fabulous, or like that big pumpkin right there. Now you're gonna use your Widgetsmith app, then you're gonna choose the size of the widget you want the picture to be. I'm gonna start with the medium one, so I'm just gonna do like a new one so you guys can see from scratch how I did it. So I'm gonna pick on that one, and then just hit on the widget, and then it's gonna like tell you like to choose whatever you want it to be. So you're just gonna scroll down here, and it says custom. Now you have photos and photos in album, so I'm just gonna pick photo, and then here down it says selected photo. You're gonna click on that, and then it says choose photo. Now up here you have photos and then albums. So if you had your picture in albums, you can just scroll to albums, and then it will show you. I'm just gonna go back to photos, find the picture, so I'm gonna do that one, and then you just go back and hit save, and then there you have your medium widget. Now it's not added to your home screen, it's just added to your widget collection. Now what you want to do to add it to your home screen, do the same thing, press and hold down your phone, and then hit the plus button, and then scroll all the way down till you can find Widgetsmith. Scroll to medium widget, and then tap add widget. Now you can see again it's not the same widget we made, this is a different one. So you just want to do done, and then press and hold on that widget, and then press edit widget, and then choose the widget you just made. I think it was medium 5, and yeah, so there you have your widget. Now you can do like personal customization, whatever you want. As you can see, this is what I did. I only have like 2 pages, so that is the first one, and then the second one. If you guys want to see what's on my iPhone, I can do a separate video of that. Just comment down below, and then I'll do a what's on my iPhone video, and then you can see like in depth of what I did. So as you can tell, like down here on like the bottom of my home screen, my icons are not the same, probably not the same as yours. Again, I customized those, and that's just the same thing as we did with the Netflix widget, if you guys remember. But I'll just do it like one more time so you guys can see. So I have here down phone, messages, FaceTime, and Chrome. You just go to shortcuts, and then here I have, I'll just do, let's say Chrome. I'll hit those 3 dots, and then hit another 3 dots. Now I already had Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, you can just add it as I show you how to do Netflix. If you forgot, just go back and like watch how I did the Netflix. So yeah, here I have Chrome, and then I'm gonna do add to home screen. And before I do that, I'm just gonna click on that box, choose photo, and then just pick a random photo. So I had this one from like Google. Now that's like a pink Chrome thing, so I'm just gonna pick that, and then hit choose, and then add. So it says added to home screen. Now I'm just gonna go back, and here you can see it's in the home screen, so I'm just gonna move it to the page we are working with. So there you have your Chrome thing. So now if you had like the original Chrome app, you can just like delete that and then replace that with this one. So let's say I'm just gonna press and hold, and then it says delete bookmark. I'm gonna delete that, and then I'm gonna press and hold this one, edit home screen. I'm just gonna move it here. So there you have. So you can do that to all the apps you have down there, or if you don't have apps, and then just skip this process. So that is basically it for like customization. As far as customization goes, that is it. But like the new iOS 14 has like some other cool features. So one of them is like to hide your home screen. Now you know, like you have those when you buy a phone, you have like those Apple phones that you know don't use, you're never gonna use, and you don't know where to put them. So people like usually put them in the last page of their home screen. Let's say I want to hide this page, like these are my normal pages. Let's say I want to hide this page we just worked on. You're just gonna press and hold on your home screen, and then these dots down here, you're gonna press on those, and then it's gonna give you like all the preview of all the pages you have. So what you're gonna do is just uncheck the page you want to hide. Now you can see I unchecked the one we just did, and then just press done. So now I have my normal 3 pages, my first home page, the second one, and the third one. And now here you have your app libraries. All the stuff can just go here, and that's a really good thing. So if you're not using the apps, you want just like let's say 2 or like 3 apps on your home screen, the rest you're not using them but you still want them, you can just like throw them on the app library, which is so nice. The only thing, you cannot customize your app library, but yeah, that's how you can hide your home home screen. And if you want to take it back, just do the same thing. Press and hold and then press on those dots, just check it back and then hit done, and there you have the page we just did. So another cool features that this iOS 14 has is the back tap. Now, you know, like you can back tap on your phone and then you can do whatever you set it to do. You want to go to settings and then you're just gonna go to accessibility and then choose touch, and then you're gonna go all the way down. It says back tap. You're gonna click on that. Now you have two options. You have the double tap and you have the triple tap. So you just want to do, like, if I double tap my phone, what is it gonna do? Now I have mine on screenshot, so if I double tap my phone, it's gonna take a screenshot. So let's say if I do that, it's gonna take a screenshot. It lags a little bit, but it's cool, it's okay. And on triple tap you can have, let's say, Google Assistant or like anything you want. So you have a lot of options. Actually, you can choose none. You don't have to have anything. You have app switches, control center, home, lock screen, mute, shake, Siri, lock up your phone, volume, everything. You have a lot of options. So yeah, like if I like triple tap on my phone, it's gonna open the Google Assistant, which is so nice and so cute. But yeah, that is what you can do with the iOS 14. So go ahead and customize your phone and like tag me on Instagram and show me how you customize your phone. I just want to see how people customize their phones. People have like really good customization, and you can do this even if you're like a guy. You don't have to like put flowers or anything. You can put cars, your favorite cartoon, or like the Marvels. People like are going off with this iOS 14, which is a really nice thing. So you guys, I can't wait for you guys to customize your phone. And like that is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you're gonna do that, and tag me on my Instagram, which I will put in the description below, like on the screen somewhere here. So tag me. I want to see how you customize your phone. I want to see what's on my iPhone. I can do a separate video on that. Just let me know in the comments and I will do it for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.